Problem is which one? The problem is from your workbook, worksheet number 93, question number 2. In your workbook, worksheet number 93, question number 2. That problem we are going to solve in the notebook. Okay, so I'm going to share it here. Okay, right, everyone? So worksheet, so in the notebook, first you have to write is today's date, that is 1409. Okay, first write down today's date, then in the heading worksheet 93, question number 2. Ajay, Abhishek, Pankaj and Manoj wanted to have their weight measured on a scale. Abhishek weighed 62,295 gram. Okay, Abhishek is, so from the given, Abhishek is equal to 62,295 gram, which is, we know, 62 kg 295 gram. We know how to convert it, so I'm going to do it directly. Okay, yes, that is easy. Okay, next is Ajay weighed 5 kg 34 grams more than Pankaj, but 4 kg 709 gram less than Manoj. The total weight of Pankaj and Abhishek was 130 kg. Okay, now from the given information, weight of Pankaj and Abhishek is equal to 130 kg. Correct? Yes. So weight of Pankaj will be weight of Pankaj. Okay. Weight of Pankaj is equal to total weight of Pankaj and Abhishek minus weight of Abhishek. So that is 130 minus 62 kg 295 gram, 130 kg. You know how to solve this. Come on, do it. Worksheet number 93, Aditya, it is written on top. So kg into gram, 130 kg 000 gram. This is 62 to 95. Find the difference. Come on, do it fast and send the answer in the chat box. Come on, everyone. Come on, let's do it. Come on, Dhruv Tiwari. Come on, let's do it fast. So there is 000. That means we have to borrow. We borrow 1 kg, then it becomes 129. And this becomes 1000. So 1, it becomes 0, 10, again 9, again 10, again 9, and here 10. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, then 9 minus 2 is 7, and 12 minus 6 is 6. So weight of Pankaj is equal to 67 kg and 705 grams. Okay. Dhruv Tiwari, do not write unnecessary messages. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Okay. This is the last warning, beta. The answer is 67 kg and 705 gram. Yes. Yes. Very good, Aditya. All of you need to do lot of practice in subtraction and addition. Okay. So do it properly, everyone. Okay. Now, has everybody written it? Come on, everyone. Let's do it. Finish it up. Okay. Now I'm going to clear everything. So we have got weight, sorry, weight of Abhishek is equal to 62 kg 295 gram. 62 kg 295 gram. That is six. That is equal to 62 kg 295 gram. And weight of Pankaj is equal to what did we receive? The total weight to be 67 kg and 705 grams. 767 kg 705 gram. Okay. Yes, everyone. Now the next question is, Ajay weighed 5 kg 34 gram more than Pankaj. Okay. Ajay weighs 5 kg 34 gram more than Pankaj. So weight of Ajay is equal to 67 kg 705 5 kg and how many? 34 grams. So 34 here, right? We have to add. The answer will be 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus 3 3, 7 plus 0 because it is 34, not 340. Yes. And 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carried over. 6 plus 1 7. So weight of Ajay is equal to 72 kg 739 grams. Okay, everyone, come on, note it down quickly. Come on, do it fast in your notebook. In your notebook. Come on, everyone. So we have got weight of 3 people. Okay, we have got weight of 3 different people. That is weight of Abhishek is equal to how many? Weight of Abhishek is 62 kg 295 gram. Then weight of Pankaj is 67 kg 705 gram. 67 kg 705 gram. Now weight of Ajay is equal to 72 kg 739 gram. Okay. Yes, everyone. And now we have to find weight of Manoj. Weight of Manoj. Now, what is the relation between Manoj and Pankaj's weight? Right? Let's find it from the notebook, from the workbook. Pankaj Bhatt 4 kg 709 gram less than Manoj. Okay, so it is less 4 kg and 709 gram less than Manoj. Okay, so weight of Manoj is equal to weight of Ajay plus 4 kg and, right, so kg and gram, that is 72 739 gram and 4 kg and 709 gram. 4 kg and 709. Okay, that these two will have to add. So 9 plus 9 is 8, 1 carried over. 3 plus 1 4, 7 plus 4 7 14. We know when 4 comes here, 1 goes up. 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7 and 7. So weight of Manoj is 77 kg and 448 grams. So weight of Manoj is equal to 72 kg, sorry, 77 kg, 448 gram. Okay, now the final question is, the final question is, find the total weight of all of them together and also list them in ascending order of their weights. Okay, okay, so I'm going to clear. Everyone has written this one? Has everyone written? Come on, in your notebook everyone has written, copied it properly. Come on everyone, note it down quickly in your notebooks, finish it up. Very good, very good. Come on, do it fast everyone, finish it up. Anshul, keep writing beta. Okay, all right then, I'm going to clear it all now because there is one more question which needs to be answered here. Okay, so clear all drawings. Now next is add them all, total weight. We have to find total weight. So kg and gram. That is, yes, we will take your questions later on, beta. Total weight we have to find. So 62 kg, 295 plus 67 kg, 705. 72 kg, 739 gram and 77 kg, 448 grams. Come on, find the total weight. Yes, so 8 plus 9 17 plus 5 22 plus 5 27. So 7 here, 2 carried over. 2 plus 9 11 plus 3 14 plus 4 18, 1 carried over. 2 plus 1 3 plus 7 10 plus 7 17 plus 4 21. So 2 carried over here. 2 plus 2 4 plus 7 11 plus 2 13 plus yes 13 plus 7 20. 2 carried over. So 6 plus 2 8 plus 6 14 plus 7 21 plus 7 28. The final weight is, total weight is 280 kg, 187 grams. Okay, and now you have to arrange them in the ascending order. All right, list them in, sorry, ascending order of their weights, right? So who is first and who is last, that also you have to do comparison. Yes, very good, Aditya, very good, correct answer, right? So now you have to arrange them in ascending order, which you already have. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. That is their ascending order, which is the question, which is in the fact, right? What is it? Abhishek, Pankaj, Ajay, and Manoj. Okay, everyone, done? Note it down in your notebook. Everyone, finish it up. Abhishek, Pankaj, Ajay, Manoj is the ascending order. Okay, come on, finish it up. Come on, do it fast. Okay, everyone, done? Have you noted it down? Yes, everyone? Very good. Very good. Fine. So now we are going to do the next chapter, which is jugs and mugs. Okay. The next chapter is jugs and mugs. Alright, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good, everyone. Good. Good job. Okay. We are going to do chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. Okay. We are going to do chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. Alright, everyone. Come on. So in your notebook, in the index, write down today's date, and in the new page of your notebook, in your index, first put down today's date and the chapter's name, jugs and mugs. Come on, do it quick, fast, everyone. Jugs and mugs. Come on, let's do it. We will take the questions in the last. Okay. Come on. Yes, Nandani wants to say something. Yes, Nandani. Bolo. Yes, Nandani. बोलो नंदानी.
सर मेरा आगे का है ना बाकी रह गया.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, YouTube पे रखूंगा, आप उसमें से देख करके कर लेना, है ना? वेरी गुड. ओके, you should focus while writing. Come on, everyone. All right. Yes, Jaldar ji.
सर इस बार सिर्फ एमसीक्यू ही आएगा या लिखना आएगा?
MCQ ही, लेकिन MCQ में भी ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे जहां पे आपको एक साइड नोट में एग्जांपल्स करने पड़ेंगे. ओके. All right. Come on. Let's do jugs and mugs. Okay. Right. Come on. Now. Jugs and mugs. So we learned about weights. Okay, we learned about weights, but when we talk about the liquids, okay, when we talk about liquids, okay, there are so many liquids available around us. Say for example, your cooking oil, hair oil, and everybody is having, in this season, especially in this season, everybody would be having cough. So in some cases the medicine is also liquid. Yes, in some cases the medicine will be liquid. So your cough syrup, then ghee. Okay, In your ghee also it is written as liquid only. The ghee is also liquid as liquid only, right? You will see at your home, if you have container of ghee, either the pouch or the dabba, right? That is called a container. In that container you will see that it is written ml, not kg or gram. Why? Because there is a difference. We will discuss that. Yes, you have to write it in your notebook, all this. Okay, you have to write it all in the notebook. Okay, yes everyone. All right, so that these liquids, we know that liquids, they take shape of the container they are kept in, right? If you have a small bottle and you put water into it, then the shape of water will be like this bottle only. If you have water in your glass, then the water's shape will be like your glass. And then you have your earthen pot, your matka, right? So the water will be like this. So liquids, they have to be put in containers, right? Containers. Okay everyone, liquids have to be kept in containers. Okay, and they will take their shape. Okay everyone, understood? Right? Yes, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is, okay, here. Okay, so what we are going to do is next part, which is right. Okay, you might not have finished it. Come on, what you have written after liquids? Cooking oil. Cooking oil. Cooking oil. Okay, come on, let's do it. So these liquids, they are measured differently. Liquids cannot be measured in gram or kilogram. They have to be measured in milliliter and liter. So we have to find their relation also. Okay everyone, so again, liter, milliliter, and as you have received your notes, there is kiloliter. There is kiloliter also. Just like you have gram and kilogram, we have got milliliter and liter and kiloliter. Yes, Aditya, you will get your chance later on. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And okay, right everyone, in your note you must have got your class notes that is already shared with you in the MCB. Okay, right? So we know that if you want to convert liter into ml, then what you have to do? Liter to ml, you have to convert it by using multiplication by 1000. Okay, just like kilogram and gram, we have got these to do. Okay, and if you want to convert milliliter into liter, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000. Come on everyone, write it down. Do it fast. It is already shared in diary, beta. Dhyani, it is already shared in the diary. Come on. I shared it on Saturday. Okay. Do it fast. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Next one. So, convert. You know how to do it. Okay. First one, 3 liter into dash ml. Number two, 20,000 ml is equal to how many liter? Come on, give me your answers. This is just like Nirva. We will take questions later on. Come on. Do it this one. Come on, everyone. Conversions. Fast. Multiplication and division by multiplication and division by 1000. Very good. Correct answer for the first one. Yes, 3 liter is 3000 ml, and this 3 zeros will be removed, so 20 liters. Okay. Yes, everyone. Done. Done, everyone. Come on. Finish it up. Finish it up, everyone. Yes, come on. Do it quickly. Very good. Very good. Not Siddhi, not 2 liter, 20 liter. Yes. So we are going to do one more example. 35,000 ml is equal to how many liters? Come on, finish it up. Come on, do it quickly. Yes, answer in chat box. Yes, very good, Tanmay. 35 liters. Okay, good job, everyone. Very good. Okay. Okay. Right, everyone. So next one, 2 times 500 ml is equal to how many liters? Come on, this one is little bit interesting. 2 times 500 ml. So 2 times 500 is 1000 ml, which is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Next one. Next one. 4 times 250 ml is equal to how many liters? Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, that is 1000 ml, but the question is about liter, Aditya. So answer is 1 liter only. Same way, 4 liter is equal to how many times into 500 ml. Now this is little bit interesting. This is multiplication only, right? So what will be the answer here? Come on, give me the answer here. 4 liter is equal to how many times 500 ml? That you have to answer. Come on, do it fast. Very good, Tanmay. Correct answer. 8 times. You will have to multiply it by 8 into 500. That is going to be 4000. 4000 is, yes, very good. Very good. Okay. So your homework for the day is, worksheet number 52. I'm going to put it out in the MCB, but that is your homework. Worksheet number 52. Fill in the blanks. Yes, very easy. And worksheet number 53, if you can do, this is just like addition and subtraction of grams. That is why it is very easy. Okay, everyone. Worksheet number 52, and you can try for 53. Okay. Now we will take questions. We will take question from Nirva first. She has been asking questions. Yes, Nirva.
सर मेरा ये जो करवाया था ना,
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. I am going to put it on YouTube. You can, if you have lost something, if you have missed something, you can take it from there. Okay. Wonderful. Next, Diksha.
Okay.
Yes, Diksha.
सर आप ये भेजने वाले हो?
I'm going to put it on YouTube, beta. This session, I'm going to put it on YouTube. But the class notes have. Sir, listen, beta. Class notes are already sent or shared on MCB. It is in diary.
सर वो लिखना है ना?
Yes, you have to write it in your notebook. I have written the diary note also for everyone. Okay. Yes. Aditya. Aditya wanted to say something. Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Aditya, speak up. Harshvi. Harshvi want to say something. Yes, Harshvi.
Sir,
Yes, Harshvi.
sir.
I'm listening. I'm listening. No response. Jinesha. Yes, tell me, Jine. Bolo beta. Jine, what happened? Ayush Acharya, tell me.
सर आपने अभी जो कन्वर्ट वाला किया करवाया ना उसमें मेरा थर्ड वाला बाकी है तो वो स्क्रीन में दिखाओगे?
Like I said, beta, it will be on YouTube. You can check it later on. Okay? Yes, Khushi.
सर आपने जो ये कन्वर्ट करा है ना वो मैं थर्ड में भी आ चुका है तो मुझे अभी तक याद है तो मैं
Wonderful, beta.
पूरा वर्कशीट्स कर सकती हूँ.
All the best. Finish it up. Okay? 3 stars if you do it. Wonderful. Okay, Siddhi, you have a question. Yes, Siddhi.
सर मुझे लास्ट 61 समझ नहीं आया.
It is multiplication. You have to do multiplication there. How many times 500 ml is equal to going to be 4 liters? So 4 liter is 4000 ml and 4000 divided by 500 will get answer as 8.
लकी दे दो.
Parents, please take care while talking. Everybody can hear you. Okay? Yes, Jinai. All right, everyone. That's it for the day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
सर.
Bye sir.